Hey, we're making tuna noodle casserole today. Budget friendly, it's gonna feed a crowd. Let's get on into it. We're gonna start out with a clear mixing bowl and add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup to the bowl. I'm gonna come in with milk next, and you can always add some heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup to make this recipe elevate a bit, make it a little bit more creamier. But I'm gonna combine that milk now with my cream of mushroom soup. And then next, I'm going to make sure that it is all mixed very well together. We're going to add a can of mushrooms, or you can add some fresh sliced mushrooms here. I'm going to mix that all together. Up next, we're going to put a couple pinches of salt and a little bit of ground black pepper to add some nice seasoning. We're going to make sure that this is all stirred up very, very nicely. All the ingredients are combined. Next, I'm going to prep a casserole dish. I'm going to grease it with some olive oil spray, but you can grease it with whatever items that you have in your house to grease a pan with. Next up, I cooked a whole package of wide egg noodles, drained them, and now I'm going to place them in the bottom of the casserole dish. I'm going to add my tuna fish next. We're going to add 2 cans of tuna fish. This is our first can here. This is albacore tuna, which I prefer, but you can use any tuna fish that you would like to. In this dish, I'm going to chunk up the tuna fish so that it is spread out pretty evenly. Here's our second can of tuna fish. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to dump that in the casserole baking dish and make sure that the bigger chunks are all separated. And we're going to make sure that the whole casserole gets a little bit of tuna fish as we mix this all together. Next up, I've diced an onion, small to medium onion. I'm going to place that in the baking dish next. And then we're going to come in with a bag of our frozen sweet peas. It adds some nice texture and color to the dish. And we're going to give that a good mix. Make sure everything is mixed very, very well in the baking dish. We're going to grab our wet mixture next, our mushroom soup with milk. We're going to pour that all over the top of our casserole dish here. We're going to make sure that all of that liquid gets mixed kind of throughout without mixing all of the ingredients. We're just going to use a poker and kind of poke down to make sure that that liquid gets to the bottom of the pan. Next, we're going to top it off with some breadcrumbs. Any breadcrumbs will do, whatever you have in the house. And we're going to shake that evenly over the top. We're going to bake this casserole at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. And we're going to put a cover on it, whether it's tin foil or a cover. Okay, let's take a look at our tuna noodle casserole right out of the oven. Actually, I've let it set up for a little bit. Look at that. Delicious. It smells wonderful. Let's dig in here. Nice and creamy. Look at the peas. Look at all of the tuna. Well, the peas kind of make it like a beautiful color, don't they? Look at that. Nice big piece there. All right. Let's give her a bite. One of our old family favorites. Raised on tuna casserole. Perfect. 10 out of 10. This one's great. Nice and creamy. The peas have a nice crunch to them. Nice flavor. The egg noodles, breadcrumbs on top. I mean, folks, this one is great. Very easy to make. It's going to feed a crowd and very economical as well, right? It's going to stretch out to make a really nice meal, and everybody's going to be super full. All right, I'm going to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.